a lot. Right. Yeah, I got the Mega for Christmas. My wife got it for me. She heard that I wanted one, and she knows what I run basically, so she got the Mega so I could swap it out. I already had a system ready for it. So this is 3S already. You know, I couldn't Mega brush. I couldn't do it. Well, I'm gonna let y'all check out. I just got the factory. I got the 100 amp ESC Spectrum and the 3200 kV motor. Got fans. I put the metal slipper clutch in the back. But I got this off my Vortex. Vortex is down, so I said, you know what? Might as well give all the parts to this car. Yet I haven't did nothing to it yet besides put this system in here. I took it out my Christmas wrapping and ran right in my shop and got the system out. Oh yeah, she's a beast. So I want to see how this is gonna hold out. This is a test. This is a new car, but this is a test at the same time. Yeah, that was 50%, but let me throw it on 100. I already calibrated everything. I don't know why it's turning like that. Whoa, she almost didn't want to stop. She almost didn't want to stop there. She leaning to the left a little bit. Oh yeah, you know she had to go in the grass. See how she handled this. Handled it pretty good. Battery's dead, but kind of figured. I put this cheesy battery in here. I thought it was good, but I kind of figured it was bad. Let me switch that out real quick. Be right back. Got it all switched out. Let's check out the launch. Oh, that was full throttle. Yeah, she's veering to the right a lot. Oh, she almost lost it on that one right there. Yeah, I gotta check that front. That I don't know if it's the front. Why it's veering to the right. Yo, this is why I always wanted the Senton. Senton. Oh, still in one piece. Not to mention, this is a durable car anyway. This is a very durable vehicle, so I'm not gonna break it. It's that easy. Yeah, this is on is nice. I'm gonna put it up against the whoa. Put it up against my yeah, I'm so used to oh, boom. Yeah, I'm not gonna go back there with it. This thing is a little beast, huh? I just gotta fix that bearing to the right. Still controllable. You see, I still got good control over it. I just feel that I like to let off the controller, like the wheel, just to see which way it's gonna go. Something stuck in the steering. There we go, it's out now. That's the only thing about the 3S and the 4S. When you're riding in gravel, you're gonna get something stuck in the steering. It becomes annoying sometimes. Yo, I didn't expect this out the Senton. Something stuck in the steering again. Here we go. Big old boulder was stuck in here. Very controlled. That's very controlled. Yeah, but I wanted y'all to check this out. My Christmas present for my wife. She know my taste. Don't have to be the biggest, the most expensive car out there. All of them fun to me. Yo, this thing is a beast. I cannot complain. I knew I always wanted this for a reason. Yo. But as always, enjoy your holiday, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. And I'm out. Hey, yo.